Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is about a particular roundabout. A lot of people ask me about these type of roundabouts. It's called a looped roundabout. It has a loop on it going toward the far right exit, and it's very confusing for a new driver. What tends to happen with a looped roundabout, and there's not many of them about, it's where the roundabout has been designed through the middle. It's been cut and traffic can be going straight along through the roundabout. However, if you want to turn right and take the third exit, for example, and it's in the complete right hand direction, you wouldn't be able to turn right through the middle of it. You would have to loop to the left and then go around and then leave at the exit that's on the right. So looped roundabouts are completely different. Your first exit would stay the same. It would be first left on the roundabout, and they're generally controlled by traffic lights. Going ahead would be, you would be driving straight through the island. There would be a road through it, so the roundabout's cut from the middle and the lanes be going ahead. And if you're turning right and going to the far right exit, you would be turning left and then following the loop round, and you would stop at lights and then go across to the exit. So I'm just going to quickly show you in this video what a looped roundabout looks like. I'm going to be traveling along this road and I'm going to be following signs for Pudsey, and in that I would have to be turning right, taking the third exit, but obviously I can't turn right on this type of roundabout, so I'm going to be turning left, following the loop round, and then exiting off on a third exit for the destination that I want. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It is a bit of a traffic hour, so there is a lot of traffic about at the moment, but I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like and how you would turn right and take the third exit on a looped roundabout. Remember, it's looped traffic roundabout. I'm fastening my seatbelt and about to drive off, checking my mirrors, checking my blind spot, signaling and pausing in this direction. And now there's a lot of traffic, so when there's the case, you can be looking in the mirror and then check your blind spot to join. On a dual carriageway going from 30 to 40 road, again there is traffic build up ahead, so it's a busy hour, and the speed limit, obviously you go as you can make progress. So I'm going to be coming up to a looped roundabout, you'll see in the camera, and I'm heading towards Pudsey. Now Pudsey is turning right, third exit, but I'm going to be leaving in the left lane here because the sign gives me Pudsey in the left. And then if you look careful at the signs that will be approaching, if you can see them or not, I'm not sure because of the bus shelter, but you can see Pudsey's on the right, but it loops. So first I'm going to be using my left hand lane. And now here the traffic can go straight through the roundabout. The lanes are designed to go straight through, so the roundabout's been cut and it's had lanes added. However, if I want to turn right, I have to turn left first. So it's a completely different type of roundabout. So I turn left here and I join the queue for the looped traffic. So here I've turned left, but I'm looping round to my third exit, where there is no right turn as a traditional roundabout for the third exit. This is the main difference on this type of roundabout. It is controlled by light, so it isn't too difficult. The main thing is to know how to loop round and follow the sign for the destination you want. So here I'm looping round, going all the way round, and then leaving at my third exit for Pudsey. And that's how you would be able to do a looped roundabout. Now I'm going to turn back to it and go across and show you the other exits on it. I'm approaching the new style of roundabout, and if I want to go across or turn right, my furthest exit, so in this case I want to be turning right and going towards Leeds, and I'm approaching from the loop and going across, and then it's controlled by lights, signaling right as I want to make a right turn, and in this case I'm joining it type of roundabouts work. And I made a turn for Leeds, which I came from the loop, but then I went inside of the roundabout. I went ahead. And here once again I'm approaching the new style of roundabout, the looped roundabout, and I'm going to be turning right and taking my third exit to Bradford. So first I'm approaching from the loop and I'm stopping at the giveaway, and then once it clears up I'll be able to go to the next stop where the lights are, and then I'll be turning within the roundabout for going towards Bradford. And you can see in the video what this new type of roundabout looks like. So first I looped all the way around and turned right to the third exit. Instead of going on the inner lane, going around a traditional roundabout and then leaving, I had to turn left, go around on the outer circle, which is the loop, and then looping around to the third exit. That's how you would be able to go to your furthest exit on a looped roundabout. And because it's controlled by lights, you don't really have to check as much to your right, it's all controlled. So here I've come and I'm turning right to Bradford and going within the roundabout. And traffic flows through this particular roundabout where there is no island in the middle. It's been cut and it's been made into lanes. And that is the new style of roundabouts in certain traffic areas, not everywhere. There's two in these test rule areas. This is one of them. So there you go, folks. If you like that video, hit the like, subscribe, switch on the notifications. Also watch my link on the mini roundabouts and other roundabout videos, a picture of what the looped roundabout looks like. I'll be talking more about them in the coming videos. Okay, thanks for watching.